Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the switch has at least 20% battery or is plugged into the official AC adapter. Docking with low battery risks shutdown. Next, clear the area around the dock and TV so cables can route without tension. Finally, inspect the dock ports. Plug the HDMI into the TV and the AC power into the dock. Make sure cables click firmly. Once done, power on the TV and set its input to the HDMI port you used so you're ready to continue. You now align the switch with the dock and slide it straight in until you feel the USB-C connector seat. Don't force or wiggle. Once seated, the TV should display the Nintendo logo. If it doesn't, check that the TV input matches the HDMI port and that the AC adapter is supplying power. If you use external controllers, pair them via Bluetooth or plug a USB controller into the dock's USB port. Make sure controller input responds on the title screen before proceeding to gameplay. To finish, confirm the switch is charging in the dock and that audio/video are stable. You can remove Joy-Cons for handheld usage and the console will continue charging when reinserted. If there's no display, power cycle the TV and switch, then disconnect and reinsert HDMI and AC cables. Make sure you test a different HDMI cable or port to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: never force the console into the dock. If resistance appears, remove it and inspect for debris or obstructing objects before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.